Here I am, golfers, entrepreneurs, stuck in the trap. You know, important times in tournaments, I would shank wedge shots from 70 yards, 80 yards, stuck in the trap. But I figured out how to take care of those shots. I quit dipping my knees. I quit getting on my toes. Those are just some of the little tips for hitting wedge shots. Anyhow, we're talking about Millionaire's Apprentice, Profit Alliance. The trap is just a metaphor. I was stuck in a rut, not making enough money to provide for my family. So, Millionaire's Apprentice gave me the tools to start making more money. And you can do that too. Is what you need to do is just get out of the trap, get out of that spot. There you go. Get up. Check out the link. Go to the description, and you too can be financially secure. Millionaire's Apprentice, Profit Alliance will help you do this. Go to the link, watch the video, and you too can get out of that sand trap of life. Cheers.